Welcome to Frontline Business. I'm Sasha Lee Hamilton. In business news today, First Rock Capital Holdings, a real estate and private equity company with regional subsidiaries, is now turning its attention to overseas acquisitions. President and CEO of First Rock Capital, Ryan Reed, is expected to travel to Costa Rica this week to oversee a residential transaction valued at $3 million. In the meantime, Vice President in charge of real estate business, Pierre Shirley, is in Guyana overseeing another deal. Those excursions follow disclosures by the company last Friday of the purchase of 5 residential units in West Bay, Cayman, and 2 units in a luxury high-rise in Brickell, Miami, in the United States. Acquisitions into which First Rock has pumped $4 million. First Rock hung its shingle in 2018 as an investor in income-producing real estate and other companies. Since then, it has executed deals worth close to $20 million inside and outside Jamaica and has earmarked funds for other investments. Mr. Reed disclosed that the company is also preparing to go public and list on the main market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange by year-end. China Harbour Engineering Company, CHEC, says scammers have been using its name and logo to dupe people into providing money and goods. In one of the scams, the company says individuals presented fake purchase orders bearing its logo and the misspelt name and forged signature of a former CHEC executive requesting building materials from several hardware companies across the island. CHEC says its office has received several calls over the last week from hardware companies seeking confirmation of orders it did not submit. CHEC's country manager Dan Granby said based on its procurement structure, the company does not authorize individuals to approach hardware suppliers to order or collect goods without going through several channels. Jamaica is set to see record arrivals this summer. According to Tourism Minister Ed Bartlett, figures so far this month are encouraging.
We ended July with the highest volume ever, both in terms of earning as well as arrival. And August is going apace. We are continuing the growth pattern. And we expect that when August ends and we have tabulated the summer months, we will be looking at the best summer that we've had in a long, long time.
In Wednesday's trading session, the JSE Combined Index declined by nearly 3,000 points to close at over 520,000. Overall market activity resulted from trading in 68 stocks, of which 37 advanced, 24 declined, and 7 traded firm. The Junior Market Index advanced by 46 points to close at 3,645. Stocks advanced for 138 Student Living, 1834 Investments, AMG Packaging and Paper, Blue Power Group, and Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances. Stocks declined for Barita Investments, Caribbean Cement, Caribbean Cream, Caribbean Producers, and Derrimon Trading. Trading firm were Access Financial Services, Berger Paints, Cargo Handlers, Epley Limited, and iCreate Limited. Wigton Wind Farm Limited ordinary shares was the volume leader with almost 21 million units, followed by Sagicor Select Funds with over 18 million units and Panjam Investment Limited with almost 2 million units. News in oil. Crude oil futures rose more than 1% on Wednesday after industry data showed a larger than expected drop in U.S. crude inventories, but gains were capped by lingering worries about a possible global recession. Brent crude had gained 90 cents to $60.93 a barrel, while U.S. crude was up 58 cents at $56.71 a barrel. And that's it for Frontline Business. I'm Sasha Lee Hamilton. Pleasant viewing.